Hi everyone, it's Mr. Tony here and welcome to Ballet Theory. In this two-part video, we're going to be looking at the French terminology used in class so that you can get a better understanding of the words used by your teacher and for those who are doing their ballet exams. It's really important that you have an understanding of the ballet words and their meanings because in class, if your teacher is using French ballet terms and you have no idea what it means, then you're relying mostly on demonstration to understand what it is that your teacher is asking you to do. For those who are doing their ballet exams, this is also really important for you because you'll be asked in your exam what these words mean. So sit back, make sure you have a pen and paper with you because it's going to be easier for you to understand if you not only hear it, say it, but also write it down. Throughout the video, I may present some of these words in action or I might show a picture to help you understand its meaning. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started on this theory. Demi. In French, that means half. You will hear demi quite a lot in ballet. You might have heard of demi-pointe, which is being half on your toes, or you might have heard of demi-plie, which is half of a bend. Plie, to bend. Point, to point your feet. You might come across on point, which means on your toes. Ouverte, that means open, actions that are open towards the audience. Croisé, in French that means crossed, which is where your body is in a crossed position. Porte-bras. This translates to carriage of the arms. This is the movement you do with your arms, going from bras bas, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, open fifth, fourth cross, demi-second, demi-bras. In French, that translates to half arms. In ballet, we use demi-bras as a kind of presentational position, very much a gesture towards the audience. Demi-second, half of second position. A smaller shape, I sometimes call this tutu line because if you were wearing a tutu, your arms would rest in the very same position. Gateway, this is an English translation, this just means first position. À la seconde, arms out to the side or to second position. Bras croisés, this translates to third position. One arm is in first position and the other arm is in second position. Lyre, this translates to open fifth position. Allongé. This means to lengthen. You usually see this action with the arms, going from second position down to demi-second and closing into bras bas, but you could also see this as any type of action with the arms that projects out towards the audience. En face, you can hear it in the words, it means to face front. Sauter, that means to jump. Petit, that means small. We do some exercises in ballet called petit allegro, and that translates to small jumping actions. You may have heard of petit jeté. Jeté. You know this as a jump, but in French that translates to throw your action into the air. Tom levé. That means to hop. We do quite a lot of hops in ballet. Gallop. You could do a gallop sideways, or you could do a gallop forward. Polka. This is a type of dance step that we see very commonly for those who do character work. Mime, to act or to tell a story without using words, just your body. Reverence, this means to curtsy or bow. We usually do this at the end of each class or at the end of an examination or performance.